Go.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Luz Biminda de la Cruz Taberna. I'm 42 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children, 2 daughters and 1 son. Their age is 23, 21, and 19. I worked before in Hong Kong for 7 years. I will taking care of the newborn baby, the adult, and the children. I can serve 5 member of the family for 1 employer, and the other employer I serve for 4 member of the family. I can cook, I can cleaning the house, ironing and marketing. I can bring your children to the school, to their activities. I will do all my best to serve to your family. I hope, ma'am and sir, you will choose me to serve to your family, to help your children, and I will promise that I can protect your children as long as I can. God bless us and your family also. Thank you very much.